Hey guys, Paul here from REO Auction Academy. Today I'm going to get into some crypto news here and why you should be looking at cryptos. One is a safe haven, look at it as a gold or silver storage of wealth, and two, as the future. All right, now before I dive into it here, make sure you click the like button if you get something from this video and subscribe to make sure you're notified when new videos come out. All right, this is big, important news here. This is a CEO who says Bitcoin is safer after moving firms' cash to crypto. So MicroStrategy Inc., the CEO of that company, has moved this company's cash into Bitcoin basically as a storage of wealth, a safe haven, as an alternative. What people used to do and put the money in a gold or silver or T-bonds, a lot of people put it into bonds, you're starting to see people shift over and put into Bitcoin. Yeah, it is more volatile, but it will go up. Overall, it's gone up year over year pretty consistently since its existence in 2009. Now, he's estimating that the inflation rate, he expects it to surge to more than 20% a year, really eroding purchasing power, which I don't necessarily agree with or disagree with. He may be understating it. Really, we might hit more than 20%. But it's going to be not across the board, but you may have 20% increase in foods and durable goods and those kinds of items, and a lesser increase in other items. But I do agree we are going to have a lot of inflation, and it's going to hit some things more so than others. So by not keeping it in cash, at least by putting it in Bitcoin, he's more likely to go up, right? Because Bitcoin's at least going to go up with inflation, probably substantially more, just because it's being adopted so much across the globe right now, Bitcoin and other cryptos as well. And blockchain technology is exploding. So people are really seeing it as a storage of wealth. And this is kind of a key indicator to me. When you start seeing major companies, the CEO, yeah, he's a younger guy, right? So he's probably been into the cryptos more than other people have been into the cryptos. But this is something that, to me, that's very important marker. So to give you an idea of the amount he's purchased, apparently he's already purchased 250 million in Bitcoin as of September 15th, bought an additional, or as of September 15th, bought an additional 175 million. And he continues to invest, or he plans on continuing to invest into Bitcoin. And he may shift it and may go into Litecoin or Ethereum or some other crypto as well, just so he can diversify. But I think when most people believe, I mean, Bitcoin is the granddaddy of all of these cryptocurrencies. To me, it's the best. I far and away hold more in Bitcoin than I do in anything else, but I am invested in other cryptocurrencies as well. Not investment advice here, right? Just me, just a YouTuber, just telling you I invest in it. I like it. If it fits your model, go ahead and do it, and it floats your boat. But to me, it's a great storage of wealth. And I do own gold. I do own silver. And I may add a bit more and more of those too, but substantially more I will put into the cryptocurrency market than I will into silver or gold, because I believe it's our future. Now, one of the things he likes about it is because it's so easy to convert back to cash, right? If he needs to convert it to cash because he thinks Bitcoin's going to be taking a dip, or he wants to invest it in the other things, he's going to go ahead and do that. He says he doesn't mind that. He's not invested. He's not a crypto diehard. So if bond yields jump, he won't hesitate to dump the cryptocurrency, but he has no immediate plans to sell. So it's somebody who's not just a crypto nut like me, right? This guy is going to look at the markets, and if he sees other things to jump into, he will. But it's telling you something when he says he's jumping into the cryptocurrency market right now. All right, now just to recap here, obviously this is a CEO of a major company who is switching into Bitcoin as a storage of wealth. And if you look at it from year over year, Bitcoin is up 47% this year, right? I do remember, and it was down in the 5,000 some odd range. I remember last year when it was down in a $3,800 range. Wish I would have bought more of it at that point. But right now, I think we're hitting a point where 10,000 is kind of that threshold in it, where it finds resistance below 10,000. Has dipped below it, barely, but it's staying above. It could dip below, could go to 7, could easily jump back up to 12 to 15 range. Wouldn't surprise me one bit at the end of the year. We're at that $15,000 to $17,000 range, or at least in a $13,000 to $17,000 range. So something to keep your eye on. And if you have cash on the sideline, like I have cash on the sideline right now. I'm selling and liquidating a lot of real estate, getting ready for the crash. Maybe put some if you're comfortable with it, and that, not financial advice again. Do it if it feels right to you. But to me, I'm going to put a lot of my money into cryptocurrencies. Hopefully they'll get a nice increase here over the next year. And when a real estate market really tanks, then I'll put that money back into real estate, continue to invest that way, and continue some invested into the cryptos. Hope you guys got something out of this video here. And if you did, make sure you click on the thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you soon with a new video. Thanks.